Hello YouTube, I am back editing my Inktober pieces from 2020 and we are on the third piece and it's gonna be a centaur. I think the official Inktober prompt was bulky, and as I mentioned in the last video, I just combined the two and then try to create a mythological creature that matched this description. What else can I tell you? Yeah, this is probably also one of the pieces I like the least. I don't know why. I think the sketch was good. The inking was fine. It was okay. But then when I put the ink on it, it just went down a very steep hill and I just couldn't lift it up again. I don't know, it's just very in one value, so it's very dark all in all, and well, you don't have really, I mean, a very bright area and a very dark area. It's all just one value, and yeah, that's just not really, that doesn't read good. And well, that's why I'm not that that's why I'm a little bit disappointed with this piece. But well, I think the next one is better and I also like it a lot more, and it seems like you guys or people who I talk to also seem to like the next piece. I hope we're through in a second with this one. I think this one's also, well, it's probably bad to say that, but I think this is actually not that nice to watch as well, because it's not, I don't know, there are not very, there are not many interesting pieces in this piece, so there's just the figure and then down just the heads and the skulls, so you just have basically two parts and that's it, and the sky. And I think it's really difficult to awaken interest when it's just those two parts. If you have different parts of attraction, then it's way easier. And there I'm going in with some acrylic paint because it was too dark for my liking, as I mentioned before, and I wanted to highlight also a little bit. And the thing is, in the mixture with the black ink, it turns bluish, if you see that, and just with the ink it would be like more of a brown thing, I guess. Wow, my English is really good today. But it turns like bluish, and I don't know. I don't bash it any longer. It's just not my favorite piece. This one, on the other hand, is quite interesting, I think. My personal prompt was circus, and the official Inktober prompt was, well, what was it? Radio. So it was circus and radio, and I was really I wasn't really creative. I just didn't know. I think these two words were the words that matched the least. I just didn't know where to put a radio, so I just imagined it was like a garbage dump or a waste dump. And then I put everything, technical items and electronic items in there, in the background. And also I always thought circuses were really creepy somehow, especially when you see them in movies and series. I think they are made really, really spooky and scary. I don't know, just like from a different time. And do you actually go to the circus? I think I have been to the circus when I was 10 years old, or around that age, I don't remember much actually, and I wouldn't ever go today to the circus, and I actually wouldn't go with my children because I think it's just so weird. Just the whole idea of a circus is so weird to me, especially with the animals. I don't like that they, I don't know if it's still today that they have animals there and they have to do tricks and I don't know. That's how it is in my head. Tell me if you know it. I don't know if they do have animals still to this day. And then the people there also do tricks and do stuff on the trampoline, trapeze, which I find kind of cool and artistic, but I don't know, I just don't watch stuff like that. I wouldn't know why I would go to a show like this. I'm sorry if you love to go to the circus. I don't want to badmouth it if that's your thing, or you love to go to the circus, but it's just not what I enjoy. What else? I put some random items in the background. Sometimes I just don't know what to put there. And so if you notice, there is kind of a wooden bird on the left side, and there's also a ball and a robot head and silly stuff. I didn't know what to put there. And I think that's almost it. Yeah. If you like this video, I would be happy if you would subscribe or give me a thumbs up. And I think there will also be a screenshot, or there will be a photograph of the real paintings. So if you didn't see them that well in the video, you can look at them at the end of this video. Bye guys!